So the role-based security in Nodinite works in a similar way for monitoring. And the monitoring are composite views in Nodinite. So you will have haystacks with needles. The needles are your links in your integration chain. And on a high level, I will have to the right with the business user, I have a few monitor views that has different kind of problems or no problems at all. Let's jump to the order monitoring here. And here we can see, and I will do the same thing on the left. So I will jump to the same monitor view from the technical perspective and from the business side. On the business side, given that I'm the business guy, we can see that there's a problem in this case with a disabled receive location in BizTalk. We can also see that there are some failed runs in Azure. And there are some dead letter messages on some service bus queue. With Nodinite, you can grant your end users the right, delegated rights to interact with these resources. The business guy is not the technical guy, so maybe it doesn't know what to do with the disabled receive location. In Nodinite, we have something called knowledge base articles, making it very easy for your end users to find information about what to do when there's a problem. And you can see here to the right that there is a newspaper icon. This one didn't have anyone, but this means that there is one or more knowledge base articles tied to this particular resource. So if you click on this button, I'm able to read about what to do. So in this case, it was an operator instruction telling me what to do. Obviously, you could have other information elements in your documentation to tell the end user what to do about this problem. But we noticed that there is something called actions here. So in this case, I'm allowed maybe to restart this receive location. So in a few seconds, this receive location will start. We can further, while we wait, look at the failed runs in my Azure workflows. So here I can jump further to either the Azure portal, I can create comments on the rows, and I can even resubmit or remove this error from the list of errors, because you need to attend to your problems. And given that you fixed all the problems, then you can remove all of the problems at once. If you have dead letter messages, we built the Service Bus Explorer into Nodinite. This means that you can purge a dead letter queue, you can interact with it, list the dead letter messages on the queue, have them removed, replay them, or do whatever is necessary to do to make sure your integrations are really going as you want them to.